ako nagbulag-bulagan sa mga red flags na nakita ko sa'yo. Hindi na sana ako nasaktan ng ganito.
Marge, there's something you should know.
Gusto niya sabihin na wala ng chance na magkaayos pa kami.
So stay out of my way, my dear brother.
Bakit hindi mo sinabi kay Marge? Naiintindihan mo na kung bakit gano'n din ang ginawa namin?
I'm doing this because I love my daughter. You did it because you hate yourself and nothing will ever satisfy you. Nakakadiri kayo. You make me sick.
Kumilos ka kung ano yung tingin mong nararapat para mapatawad ka niya at ng asawa mo.
Marge, umalis na din kayo ni Jasmine dito. Hindi niyo deserve ang ganitong klaseng pamilya.
Gustong-gusto ko nang umalis.
Lumabas na rin po ang HLA typing results ninyo. Unfortunately, hindi po kayo compatible match para kay Jasmine.
Kailangan ho namin ng tulong nyo to see if may possible match na maging donor ng bone marrow for Jasmine. Kayo ho ang best chance namin.
Hindi ako papayag na isali niyo si Ashley dito.
Ma, pero I want to try. Wouldn't it be great kung mag-match po ako kay Jasmine? Bakit hindi ako pwede magpa-test?
Ash? What's wrong?
Wala po. Nagkaroon lang po kami ng konting tampuhan ni Jasmine.
Tapos tayo.
Saan po tayo pupunta?
Somewhere na nakakahinga tayo. Away from everyone.
Sorry, anak. Ngayon lang siguro nagsisink in kay Edward yung affair niyo ni Thea. He almost killed you.
Ma, I'm okay. Puntahan niyo na lang po si Edward. Mas kailangan niya kayo.
He's not the one who's bleeding. Hindi siya may black and blue, di ba?
Namiss ko tong bonding natin na ganito. I wish everyday, ganito lang tayo. Yung walang problema, tas chill lang lahat.
I know. It was really a big mistake na pumunta tayo dito sa Manila.
I'm just really glad na you're still here with me. I might have lost Jasmine already po eh.
Nak, sorry Nadadamay ka pa sa lahat ng gulong to. You know, the last thing I want is to see you get hurt. And you know, Papa loves you very much.
But pa, none of this is your fault. Pero bakit parang ikaw may kasalanan sa lahat? May iba pa po bang problema?
I don't deserve you.
What?
You were right about Edward. Na siya ho yung paborito niyo. Kasi ako, masama ako. Wala akong kwentang kapatid. Wala po akong kwentang anak.
Paolo, stop it with the self-pity. You are in no position to tell me kung sino ang dapat kong maging paborito. I love you both equally. So kung ano yung kasalanan mo, o sa kapatid mo, I'm not going to judge.
Nak, magulo lang talaga yung isip ngayon ni Papa. I hate to do this right now, but I think I have to leave the house for a while. I'm sorry.
Sasama ako sa'yo. Huwag mo ko iwan dun sa bahay na yun.
Nak, believe me, gusto ka sama, but di ba nasagot mo ng school yun? Ayoko maapektuhan yung studies mo. I think it's best if you stay with the family first for now.
But you were always the one who judged others.
That's because I know that they cannot correct their mistakes. Pero may tiwala ako sa inyo. I trust na maitatama mo ang mga pagkakamali mo if you want. It's okay.
Ayoko dun. Huwag mo ko iwan dun.
Nak, makinig ka muna sa akin. Just always remember, wala kang ginagawang masama. Wala kang kasalanan. Lagi mong tatandaan. Mahal na mahal ka ni Papa. Ha? Come on, Will. Halika.
Papa.
It's okay. For this huge mistake that you made, don't wait for your brother to forgive you. You know, he's got too much pride for that. Ang gawin mo, kumilos ka, kung ano yung tingin mong nararapat para mapatawad ka niya at ng asawa mo. Kaya mo ito. I know you'll do the right thing. I know. I know. I love you. Oh, no, I love you.